Shaw. I am the founder of Wax+Wraps. Wax+Wraps is an African print subscription box, and I'm so excited. This is the first box and the first unboxing experience that I'm going to be bringing you into. I'm so excited. I'm going to be showing you what you could be getting month after month after month when you sign up for the Wax+Wraps subscription box. Okay, so let's dive in and see what the September box has on offer. So firstly, you see it's a beautiful box. This is a typical print called the Ensubra print. You can see the lovely print that is typical wax print. What do you think about that? Typical wax print, and I've used that to create the actual box print. So let's dive in. So when you open up, first thing you can see is what's inside the box. So here's what's in the box, but let's go a little bit further. So there's two types of fabrics here. The fabrics that you'll have that are coming straight from Ghana. So you can have one that is a batik fabric, and batik fabrics are hand blocked fabrics made by our partners out there in Ghana, specifically for this box. Each month is a different theme, different country, different box. So you'll have a particular print for you, and the second print is a wax print. So you'll either have two wax prints, or you'll have a wax print and a batik. All you need to know is that these are all coming from Ghana. As you can even see on the hem of this, right at the hem, it says made in Ghana. Made in Ghana. Okay, so you're going to have that inside your box. Gorgeous fabrics, 100% cotton, made in Ghana, African made, supporting African businesses. And then the other side, I've got a little gift. Here it is. Let's look inside. So yeah, so this is what you're going to get. A little parcel, as you can see, strategically using pattern paper, as you do. Our logo there, our sticker logo on the front for the craft, for the culture. That's what it's all about. And then as we open up, this is what's inside. You are going to get like a whole sewing kit. You're going to get threads that's going to match your fabric, so you can actually do some sewing. You are going to get a badge so you can be part of the Wax+Wraps African Print Sewing Club. That means that you are officially in the club. So do take a picture with that so we know that you got that. This is my favorite piece here. This is my favorite piece. These are our trademarked Ankara or wax print pencils by Wax+Wraps. How amazing is that? And you can see that the print matches the print on the box. So you can use this to do all your sewing. Then what else have we got in here? I haven't stopped yet. On top of that, I'm giving you the first of the cards from our playing card set, our Wax+Wraps trademark playing card set. So you're going to get one of those. And if you want to get the whole pack, then get the whole pack on our website. But each month you're going to get one of these. So it's a collector's piece. You add on to each one until you get the whole pack. So you can make your own playing card set. Or like I said, just buy the whole pack from the website. What else do we have? Okay, we are going in. Okay, because it is a sewing kit, you are getting a pattern. So you can make something. This month is a woven t-shirt pattern. That's what you're going to get. And you can make that up in the fabrics, obviously, that I've given you. Alrighty. And then the last thing that I do, because this month is focused on Ghana, I give you an African fabric swatch card. So you see on one side is the traditional fabric. You're going to get a taster of the fabrics from that country. Traditional fabric there. This is kente from Ghana. I mean, how beautiful is that fabric? And then in the back side, it tells you all about the kente fabric, all about it, so you can get a bit more knowledge about the traditional fabric for that month. I mean, come on now. This is an amazing gift. If you want to give it to somebody, this is something that you would love. Each month you can get this through your door. and it's going to be a different country each month. So I'm uber excited for all of those who have signed up for the Wax+Wrap's African print subscription box. Subscribe to this channel. Make sure to follow. I'm going to be doing videos and so forth to show you what you can make. We'll get on the sewing machine. You can come on with me and we can be sewing together, all the crafty types, all the home sewers. I'm there with you on the machine, but make sure that you subscribe to the channel and subscribe to Wax+Wrap so that each month you can get one of our African print subscription boxes coming to your door. See you in the next video.